What is an e-signature? Just like your inked signature, signing documents online is a way for you to sign documents. E-signature's legal status depends on 3 elements. Who has signed? This is the part where the identity of the signatory must be verifiable. SMS, email, bank ID, electronic ID, etc. What and intent? What was signed? Did the parties intend to sign and legally commit to the document? Integrity. Has the document been changed or tampered with after signing? Types of e-signatures. SES, simple electronic signature. Legality is based on evaluating the method and security applied in the specific case. 2. ADS, advanced electronic signature. Offers more security than a simple electronic signature and can also identify the person who has signed. 3. QES, qualified electronic signature. Must adhere to certain EU standards, qualified certificate, etc., which means they offer additional protection controls over the advanced counterparts. Regulation of electronic signatures. Oneflow follows the standards and best practices set out in or following from the ADAS regulation. ADAS, Electronic Identification and Trust Services Regulation. E-Sign Act. It stands for US Electronic Signatures in Global and National Commerce Act. UETA, Uniform Electronic Transactions Act.